Welcome to the SafeFlex Tile and Edge Cutting Tutorial. Our goal is to guide you through a few tips and tricks to make your install process smooth and ensure you get the most out of your new matting system. Please ensure all proper PPE and safety precautions are taken before you begin. We recommend wearing cut-proof gloves, safety glasses, and ear protection. There are a few different tool options when it comes to cutting our tiles and edges. A basic utility knife can accomplish any of the cuts you are about to see. It's worth noting that it carries some safety risks of the blade slipping or breaking. An oscillating saw is the safest, most versatile option. A bandsaw also works great for any straight line cuts. Now, let's jump into some cutting techniques. First, we will show you how to cut a tile to size without using a tape measure. Begin by arranging tiles until only the designated space requires a cut tile. Position the tile you plan to cut with interlocking tabs aligned in the same direction as the existing tiles on the floor. Simply rotate the tile 180 degrees as shown. Mark where you need to cut, trace your line, and complete the cut with your chosen cutting tool. In this case, we will use a bandsaw. Secure in place, and that's all there is to it. The second cut you may encounter is around an object. In this case, we are cutting around a racking leg. Using the tile as your size reference, mark 2 points on each side of the tile, indicating where the cut lines are necessary. Connect these points with a straight edge to define your cut area. An oscillating saw works great for these types of cuts. Remove the traced area, then make a relief cut to the closest edge of the tile. This will allow you to put the tile in place around the table leg. The last cut we will demonstrate is an inside corner, which uses our trim pieces. Using another edge piece as your size reference, make a mark on the thin side of the trim piece. Then, simply scribe a line from the corner to your mark. Repeat the same cut on your other trim piece, ensuring it mirrors the previous one. Cut both edge pieces with an oscillating saw or bandsaw and secure in place. There you have it, simple tile cutting techniques that will ensure your new matting has a perfect, custom fit. At any point, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team if you require any assistance. Thank you for choosing the SafeFlex floor system.